dito bibigsan.
Later.
We're right now at Ko Olina Lagoon 2. Whoa, the waves are so strong.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
Masarap. Alam mo may story. I will text this one. This one supposed to be 30 somewhere. And we keep on talking to the Filipina there in the foodland.
Oh.
10 yan. I bought 10.
3 hours later.
We're right now at Hula Dog near Ala Moana Center. I got this Tarragon Polish hot dog with Hawaiian mustard, regular garlic, and sweet relish, along with my blue ocean soda.